I'm Maria Burnham with the St. Joseph School District, and I'm your coordinator of health services. So right now I'm going to show you quickly how to make your own homemade face covering out of a bandana. So what you will do is lay your face covering out. You will take it and fold it in half from the bottom and in half from the top, in half from the bottom again, in half from the top, and really you could use hair ties, you could use rubber bands, slide those on each side and hit the other side over here. Fold your ends in half and you have your own homemade cloth face covering.